everyone, welcome to Smile Living YouTube channel. I'm Jyoti Khatri, and in today's video I'm going to share a healing technique for your lungs for people who have asthma and cough issues. Try to do this technique for 3 minutes daily and you will feel vast improvement into your asthma problem. Just like I always say, please practice these healing techniques with positive intention and maintain regularity into your practice to see amazing results. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then you can subscribe to our Hindi channel Smile Living Hindi. I'll post all the video link and channel link in the description box down below. Now let me show you how to do this. Let's get started. So there you have it. I hope you find this video useful. Hit the like button down below. Be sure to share it with everyone who might find it useful. Comment down below the topics that you want to see in the future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.